Did you know that fasting occasionally can massively improve your cognitive abilities, stabilize your mood, and can prevent neurodegenerative disease, according to several studies? I'm Robyn Openshaw, I'm the Green Smoothie Girl online, and here's the thing, I know most people won't fast for a week or for 2 weeks. I've done it, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard doing it that way. What's really exciting is that studies are coming out that show that you can get these cognitive performance benefits and mood stabilization benefits all while eating up to 800 calories a day. I call this modified fasting. Studies have shown that people doing a modified fast experience 3 major things relative to their brain, especially between days 2 and 7 of a modified fast. Number 1, an improvement in mood. Number 2, an increase in alertness during the day. And number 3, a sense of calm and serenity. Who doesn't need a happier mood, alertness in your work, and a feeling of serenity that helps you sleep at night and enjoy your relationships in your life more? I've been doing modified fasts. In fact, I just finished an experiment where I did a 3-day cycle of modified fasting 3 times a month for the past 3 months. That's about every 10 days for the last 3 months. I ate 5 mini meals between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. for a total of only 800 calories. I did this 3 times a month, and it was all organic, plant-based whole foods of about 150 calories at a time, each of my mini meals. I have never felt better than since I started doing this experiment. The way the program is designed, with a higher proportion of good fats and good proteins, proportionately higher protein than the average plant-based diet, I wasn't very hungry. I was able to work full-time like I always do, and I even worked out every single day that I was doing this flash fast 3-day program. One thing I've loved about using the flash fast is that everything is done for me. There's no guessing about what to eat and how much and when. I just eat my 5 organic mini meals every day with a few hours in between. I've written a short book about modified fasting, bringing together the research studies to show what a monthly cycle of modified fasting can do for you. It's called How to Get the Health Benefits of Fasting Without Going Hungry, totally free. And in an hour, you can read the whole book and learn about how specific health issues that you or your family may be facing respond to cycles of modified fasting